Sadhvik, are you here? He was asking me that he got a grade from his state board, and anyway, so
Excuse me, ma'am.
yes,
Ma'am, on Saturday we will have, at what time we'll have the MCQ, please?
Saturday. I think I have shared the message.
Ma'am, you have not given the timing.
6:30.
Okay, ma'am.
Saturday, I think we have to follow which day timetable this Saturday.
Ma'am, Friday.
Friday means today's timetable.
Ma'am, tomorrow's time too.
Acha, only one class, 9 to 10.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay then. Actually, one thing I want to say you, December 3 to 5. Okay, 5th is a holiday, Sunday, 3 and 4. Okay, 3rd and 4th December. Uh, Friday and Saturday, I'm organizing one conference actually. That is an emerging smart material. So I have to manage this class with someone. Someone may take my class. Otherwise, it will be difficult. I cannot manage both the things. Okay. If any of you want to be a part of that conference, also you can when you do not have any classes.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
I'll
Yes,
share
ma'am.
you the details.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
And
6:30 a.m. or p.m.?
Bro, obviously PM, bro.
मैम सैटरडे
yes, Saturday 6:30 means morning 6:30 कभी नहीं होगा.
Ma'am, can you give some
Sorry,
question,
bro, I'm equally
MCQ question
confused.
practice?
क्या MCQ क्वेश्चन क्या करूं?
मैम थोड़ा दे सकते क्या प्रैक्टिस के लिए, मतलब कैसे क्या आएगा
Previous
कुछ?
year question, ma'am.
मैम मिड सेम्स कब होने वाले हैं
ये
दिसंबर?
क्विज का भी प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन आपको चाहिए?
नहीं नहीं मैम, आप अभी ऑन स्पॉट कुछ
Same का
क्वेश्चन
बोल
करें.
रहे, ma'am.
नहीं, क्विज का नहीं देंगे. मिड
मैम
सेम
मिड
के
सेम का
लिए.
नहीं होगा, मैम.
मैम जे
हाँ
मैम जैसे जेई का क्वेश्चन रहता था उसी टाइप का क्वेश्चन रहेगा ना?
हाँ हाँ, जो एंट्रोपी कैलकुलेशन तक.
मैम जो
ओके.
डेट दिया है मिड सेम का वही उसी डेट पे होगा.
आई होप
मैम
सो.
किसके बीच होगा?
इसके बीच मतलब
मैम डेट्स 16 कब दिसंबर का?
आपका आपका मिड सेम 16 से या 6 से? मिड सेम कब है? 16 और
अभी डेट नहीं आई है,
6.
मैम. 6
मैम
दिसंबर.
दिसंबर
तो 6 है ना, तो अच्छा है. मेरा तो क्लास 3rd और 4th को नहीं
मैम
लेने से
बाकी क्लास
चलेगा.
में सर बोले हैं कि 16 दिसंबर.
ठीक है, जब होगा होगा. हम लोग को कोई
मैम
चिंता करने की
गैप्स
जरूरत
होंगे बीच में, गैप्स होंगे?
नहीं होता है. देखते हैं क्या होगा. तो क्यों चाहिए ये सब अभी? क्यों? Like, what is the requirement to discuss about the midsem? Whether you will
मैम
get a
कॉलेज
visa?
जनवरी में खोलेगा ना?
कब?
जनवरी.
हाँ, सुन. आप लोग तो बात किए हो ना फाउंडर सर से?
यस मैम.
What he told?
जनवरी में खुलेगा मैम.
Then
क्रिसमस बाद.
like, what he
मैम
told means that is the final
आफ्टर
decision.
क्रिसमस
I'm just an employee. So what he
मैम
will
आप
do
बोले कि
is, हाँ
लैपटॉप मिड सेम से पहले मिलेगा, मैम बोले आप.
हाँ, लैपटॉप मिल जाएगा मिड से पहले. That decision is also from them only. I have not decided. I have just communicated the information to you all.
ओके मैम.
Okay.
मैम जो
So,
लोग भुवनेश्वर कटक से वो आकर ले जाएंगे ना लैपटॉप कैंपस से.
हाँ, आपको तो ये याद ही है, तो कितना बार बोल रहे हो सुप्रसाद?
मैम कब आना है, बस वही पूछे.
जब बोलेंगे तो फिर मैं बता दूंगी ना.
ओके ओके.
ठीक है. कोई चिंता करने का जरूरत नहीं है, जो कटक भुवनेश्वर से है तो वो आके ले लेना, ठीक है।
Yes, ma'am.
मुझे जब पता चलेगा तो ऑन योर बिहाफ आई विल कलेक्ट एंड यू विल टेक फ्रॉम मी।
Okay, ma'am.
So no problem for that. Now regarding the quiz, I don't think that it is required to show you some of the previous year questions. Still, let me check.
मैम मिड सेमेस्टर का ओनली 10 मार्क्स है केमिस्ट्री का?
हाँ, क्विज का 10 मार्क्स है।
नो मैम, रिटन टेस्ट मिड सेमेस्टर एग्जाम।
हाँ हाँ, ये एक्चुअली कुछ पता नहीं है क्या करेंगे, लेकिन ऐसा था लास्ट टाइम।
ओके मैम।
No, question is not with us. I cannot show you the questions. Okay. There is a central team who is managing these things. Like you will get short type questions, okay? And you can answer. Actually, the quiz test, like I think we have to take, there will be 5 or 10 quiz tests. So best of the, out of those 10 or 7, whatever we can take. So out of that, the best one, the quiz test where you have like secured good marks, those marks will only be added to your final grading. Okay, so don't worry for that. There is, you will get chances to improve, but in case of midsem you have to be serious and do properly. Okay, so let 8:23, are you present? Again I'm asking, if you are not present then you should not ask me again and again in the WhatsApp, and you should not call me. How many times he is telling me that just tell me what should I write in the information. And you people are not just joining the class in time, and it is, you are just asking me number of questions in the WhatsApp. I'll not respond. Simple. Those who are not attending the class, I'll not respond to them. And I'll take the attendance just after 10 minutes or 5 minutes. Then those who are present, it's okay. Those who are absent, they will get absent. And if it is less than 75% attendance, they will not able to sit in the examination. And another one student, maybe just asking me.
मैम क्विज के लिए सिर्फ नोट से पढ़ने से हो जाएगा कि पूरा बुक पढ़ना पड़ेगा? बुक तो बहुत लेंदी है।
नोट से पढ़ो, बुक से भी थोड़ा सा देख लो। बुक का क्या पढ़ोगे आप? जो टॉपिक हमने डिस्कशन किया, चूज दोस, लाइक जस्ट पिक दोस टॉपिक्स एंड देन यू जस्ट रीड दोस थिंग्स। आपको पूरा पढ़ने का जरूरत क्या है?
ओके मैम।
बुक लेंदी है, मतलब पूरे बुक से एक्नॉलेजमेंट तक आप पढ़ रहे हो क्या?
मैम बुक में कुछ
चाहिए तो ये पढ़ो।
मतलब उसपे हेस लॉ, किरचॉफ लॉ, वो सब भी है।
नहीं, जो नहीं है, जो टॉपिक हमने डिस्कशन नहीं किया, मतलब दैट इज नॉट इंक्लूडेड इन योर सिलेबस। तो बुक में जो है, ये क्या आपका स्कूल का बुक है कि जो जितना है सिलेबस में उतना ही उसमें लिखा होगा? आप स्कूल में नहीं हो ना।
ओके मैम,
ठीक है ना। आपका स्कूल का जैसे बुक होता है ना, जैसा सिलेबस ऐसा ही बुक। क्लास 3 क्लास 2 में जैसे सिलेबस है, तो ये नहीं है ना। रोल नंबर 815, आर यू प्रेजेंट? राणा जी।
यस मैम, यस मैम।
तो आपको मैंने तो बोला था बात करने के लिए, नहीं की? हाँ? Okay, so, huh? Okay, so have you filled the form?
नो मैम, वो जो फादर का पेज था वहाँ कैसे लिखूं? मेरे तो पापा नहीं है, तो
हाँ,
ऑफिस
तो
के
no
एड्रेस तो
problem, no
नहीं।
problem. You just write that not applicable.
ओके मैम, ओके मैम।
Just write not applicable, and if there is any space, then you can write that the reality you can write. Okay.
ओके मैम, श्योर।
If it is not then you write not applicable.
ठीक है।
And okay.
ठीक है मैम, ठीक है।
I think you should get some. If it is a death related to COVID, then you will get something like relaxation in your fee. Did you talk
अच्छा,
for that?
यस मैम, श्योर।
Did you talk for that?
नो मैम, नो मैम।
So you can talk for that also. Maybe your mother, she will write to the admission cell or to the higher authorities, and you will get some relaxation in your fee.
ओके।
I don't know actually whether it is applicable for Odisha or all over India. Okay.
ओके मैम।
So you write to me. I'll talk to the person who is in charge of this one. Then I'll let you know. Okay.
ओके।
Further timing, you just write not applicable, and if possible, you write the reality that he is no more now.
ओके मैम, ओके।
Okay then.
ओके मैम।
So Satvik, are you present again? I'm asking. Otherwise, I'll not.
Yes, ma'am. I'm here, ma'am.
Then why you joined now after 17 minutes?
No, ma'am. I'm joined
Huh?
10:09. I think. I dropped my sister at
just
school. I'm
talk to
sorry.
your friends. How many times I have taken your name?
Yes, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am.
How many times I have taken your name? So it is my request, you can say, or it is you can think of that it is my order that everybody should join in time. And if you have many questions, then you are writing in the WhatsApp, then you should join before time, because before 2-3 minutes I am here in the class, so you can ask me. Okay, so what is your problem with that? If you got a grade, then you can convert it to percentage.
Yes, ma'am.
That you can do.
Okay.
And you are asking again and again, just writing, you answer this, you answer this.
Okay.
Okay, so grade can be converted to percentage. You are engineer now, you are studying engineering, so you can do that.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And for other students, I'm just telling you, you will get some questions. Whatever we have discussed in the class, that portion you can read directly from the notes. And again, that particular topic, means if it is regarding entropy, then regarding entropy, what is in that book, you read that. Okay, no need to read Kirchhoff's equation, because it is not in your syllabus. If the author has written the book, it is not written based on your syllabus. Do you understand? So, and again, if you are going for higher studies, then you will not get the book what is required for you only. Okay, so there will be so many things, and many broad things will be there, but you have to choose what you require. Is it okay? Okay, so if for your examination purpose you prepare according to your syllabus, if you for your sake, if you want to study more, you can study, no problem. Is it okay now? So let me complete the last portion. I think only one question we have to discuss, then this chapter will be over. Anything you want to discuss with me? I'll send you previous year questions and SEM and mid-SEM. I'm sending you one link. You just download that one. whatever you like. Right now I'm sending every time central. Okay, so I'm uploading in the classroom. This is autumn and semester examination 2017. This is spring. Okay, please check now your class drive folder, and I have already uploaded the mid-sem and end semester question, previous year questions for your reference. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, so that part is over now. But quiz I cannot share because it is not with me. I can check once. Otherwise I'll forget.
Ma'am, can we take from our senior?
No, you can. You can. What is the problem with that?
Okay, ma'am.
मैम क्लासरूम में आया नहीं.
हाँ, क्लास ड्राइव में देखो ना. You just check in the class drive. You just
Ma'am,
check in the
नहीं.
class drive. Did you get?
मैम नहीं आया.
ये तो है. Just see my screen. Chemistry B5 class drive. Okay, one thing I'm doing. I'm sending it in WhatsApp group.
वो ड्राइव में तो आपका सही हो गया होगा।
Okay, check now.
And we got it.
यस
Okay. Okay then.
मैम मैम
हाँ. Yes.
मैम ये गूगल ड्राइव का तो हम लोग को लिंक कोई मिला नहीं है और कोई ड्राइव का।
अरे you just check your own classroom drive. Are you getting that one?
हाँ तो वो क्लासरूम ड्राइव मतलब हम लोग को कोई लिंक तो दिया नहीं ना। गूगल क्लासरूम बोल रही हैं आप?
Where you have joined now? In the Google Classroom, isn't it?
हाँ ये गूगल मीट।
Yes. So, are you joining in the classroom or you are just joining with the link?
आई एम जस्ट जॉइनिंग विद द लिंक। गूगल
So,
क्लासरूम
why
का
you
बोल
are
रही
not
हैं?
joining in your own Google Classroom?
ओके 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 ठीक है।
Then you will get the drive. Anyway, I have sent in the WhatsApp group. No problem. Okay? So, don't worry for that. I have already sent in the group. Nowadays, whiteboard is taking time to be open. Anyway, I'm taking your attendance right now. Roll number 766.
Yes, ma'am.
67,
प्रेजेंट मैम।
68,
प्रेजेंट मैम।
69,
Present, ma'am.
70,
प्रेजेंट मैम।
71,
प्रेजेंट मैम।
72,
प्रेजेंट मैम।
73,
Present, ma'am.
74,
Present, ma'am.
75,
प्रेजेंट मैम।
76,
प्रेजेंट मैम।
77,
Present, ma'am.
78,
Yes, ma'am.
79,
प्रेजेंट मैम।
80,
प्रेजेंट मैम।
81,
Present, ma'am.
82,
Yes, ma'am.
83,
Yes, ma'am.
84,
Present, ma'am.
85,
Present, ma'am.
86,
Present, ma'am.
87,
Present, ma'am.
88,
Present, ma'am.
89,
प्रेजेंट मैम।
90,
प्रेजेंट मैम।
91,
Present, ma'am.
92,
Present, ma'am.
93, 93, 94,
प्रेजेंट मैम।
95,
Present, ma'am.
96,
Present, ma'am.
97,
प्रेजेंट मैम।
98,
प्रेजेंट मैम।
99, 800,
प्रेजेंट मैम।
801,
प्रेजेंट मैम।
मैम 99 प्रेजेंट।
2, 802,
प्रेजेंट मैम।
802,
प्रेजेंट मैम।
3,
Present, ma'am.
4,
Present, ma'am.
5,
Present, ma'am.
6, 6, Neil, 7,
Present, ma'am.
Ma'am, 806
Eight.
present.
8,
Present, ma'am.
9, 10,
प्रेजेंट मैम।
11,
प्रेजेंट मैम।
12,
Present, ma'am.
13,
प्रेजेंट मैम।
14,
प्रेजेंट मैम।
15,
Present, ma'am.
16,
Present, ma'am.
17,
Present, ma'am.
18,
Present, ma'am.
19,
Present, ma'am.
20,
Present, ma'am.
21,
Present, ma'am.
22,
Present, ma'am.
23,
Present, ma'am.
24,
Present, ma'am.
25,
Present, ma'am.
26,
Present, ma'am.
27,
Present, ma'am.
28,
Present, ma'am.
29,
Present, ma'am.
30,
Present, ma'am.
31, 32, 33,
Present, ma'am.
34,
Present, ma'am.
35, 36,
Present, ma'am.
38,
Present, ma'am.
39, Supratim, 40,
Present, ma'am.
41,
Present, ma'am.
42,
Present, ma'am.
43,
Present, ma'am.
44,
Present, ma'am.
45,
Present, ma'am.
46,
Present, ma'am.
47,
Present, ma'am.
48,
Present, ma'am.
49,
Present, ma'am.
50.
Present, ma'am.
Ma'am, 806 present.
अभी बोलने से क्या होगा, मैं तो अटेंडेंस अपडेट कर चुकी हूँ.
Ma'am, 839.
Ma'am, 793.
8,
Ma'am, 806.
8069,
Ma'am,
806.
ma'am, 806.
अरे only one student will, if you only one student will tell in once, then I can like
Ma'am,
hear it.
806.
Anil already present. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
then
Ma'am, 793.
793, yes, present. Then
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, 839.
I was just I have taken your name, Supratim. What you were doing at that time?
Ma'am, I was just gone to the bathroom. Sorry, ma'am.
मैम गूगल क्लासरूम में तो कोई ड्राइव का लिंक नहीं है.
ठीक है, जरूरत नहीं है आपको. आपको मैंने व्हाट्सएप में भेज दिया. ठीक है,
वही सब है.
जो क्वेश्चन पेपर लास्ट ईयर का दे दिया ना, वही तो आपको चाहिए था. और कुछ चाहिए था क्या?
ये भी ठीक है.
जो चाहिए मैं वही मतलब व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में भेज दूंगी. हम लोग का मोटो है कि आपको मिलना चाहिए बस. Okay, let me complete this one. So today, last class we have already discussed Gibbs Duhem equations, physical significance of chemical potential, okay, partial molar properties. So those things we have already discussed. So today we'll discuss relationship of chemical potential with partial pressure. We know that dg is equal to bdp. So d mu is equal to bdp. Okay, because chemical potential you know. So d mu is equal to r t 1 by p dp. Anyway, p0 here, it is p. Why it is not? Okay. It is mu 0 and mu. Implies that mu
वो म्यू कहता है
mu is your chemical potential. For free energy change, we have already discussed in the last class. We can write mu RT ln P by P0. Mu is equal to plus here A is your activity. I don't know why it is showing some problem today. Okay. So you please write this derivation. I don't know what is happening here. Oh, something happened.
Ma'am, please solve this equation once, please.
I'm not able to do that, you know.
Okay, ma'am.
I don't know where it has gone. Okay. Oh no. Just a minute, huh? I'm trying to get it. I will delete everything and I'll take new sheet every time. That will I'll do. I think for this it is showing some problem. This one, no?
Yes, ma'am. No.
Ah, Okay. Write all the steps. dG is equal to VdP. So D, in place of G, we can write the chemical potential when we are taking into consideration the number of moles change in that particular system. So we have replaced dG by d mu with VdP, and d mu is equal to VdP. So in case of V, we can write RT by P, because PV is equal to nRT in that way, and when N is 1 mole, so PP is equal to RT. So we can write V can be replaced by RT by P. So that we have done only. So and the limit, the integration, we have taken both the like both sides, and here for mu the lower limit is mu0 and upper limit is mu, and for P the lower limit is P0 and upper limit is P. So mu minus mu0 is equal to RTL and P by P0. So that we have just equation we have done it. Mu is equal to mu0 plus RTL and P by P0, and P by P0 is nothing, it is the activity. So that we have replaced by N. Do we understand now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, related to
Yes,
this, any question for this one, any query or any?
मैम वो डीजी और डीम्यू को बोला एक बार.
हाँ
डीजी और डीम्यू का.
DG.
हाँ उसके बाद.
DG. Actually, G is your G is your what is that? Free energy change.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. G is your free energy change. So del G by del Ni means that number of moles. When free energy change is affected by the number of moles, then it is known as chemical potential. That partial molar property of free energy is your chemical potential. So that is why it is replaced by mu. Okay, now?
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
It is. What is the change? Just solve this question. This type of question you will get also in your midsem and quiz. What is the change in change? What is the change in chemical potential of the substance
Oh. Okay.
Can you solve this question? What is the change in chemical potential of the substance when the partial pressure of an ideal gas falls from 1 bar to 0.5 bar? Means P and P0 is given. Okay? Can you solve this one? R
Yes,
value, that is also a constant. And when there is not written in the particular temperature, you will take the room temperature. So can you check now?
Ma'am, room temperature 25 degrees Celsius or 27 degrees Celsius? Which one?
25.
Okay.
Ma'am, is it minus 1717 joules per mole?
Yes, yes, correct. That should be the answer. So here all the portions we have covered, thermodynamics, whatever it was in your syllabus. So now be ready for your quiz as well as for the midsem also you can prepare from these topics. So now we'll next class we'll discuss chemical kinetics, and in this class if you have any doubts we'll discuss. Okay, and next class we'll start from chemical kinetics. And some more question papers I can give you. Just I'm sending one link so you can download everything what you need.
What's the answer of this question?
Minus 1717.3 joule per mole. So this is the link for the question bank. I'm just sending you. Just check once whether you can download or not.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am, it's there.
is it working?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay then. So you can download all the midsem and some question papers from there.
Ma'am,
Yes.
can you explain me that entropy change during mixing of the ideal gas? I'm not getting that concept.
Okay. Uh, so it is difficult here to get that one. So better I'll explain it again. So where you are not able to understand, just let me know.
Ma'am, that for means the for one second, ma'am. Ma'am, that derivation part that S is equal to Cp ln T minus R ln T plus S naught.
Oh, that part.
Yes, ma'am.
So first of all, we have considered 1 mole of an ideal gas. The entropy change for 1 mole of an ideal gas is equal to. Let me take a new one. It will be better. Okay, so for 1 mole of an ideal gas, ds is equal to Cv dt by T plus R dV by V. So do any doubt for this one?
No, ma'am, no, ma'am.
Okay. Then again we know that ds is equal to dq by T. That we know or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Q by T entropy.
Yes,
So
yes,
then
ma'am.
with Q is also you know that U plus PV, that first law of thermodynamics,
Yes,
dV by T. So then it can be written as du by T plus P dV by T. So then that is equal to Cv dt by T plus R dV by V, because PV is equal to nRT, that way. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So that we can write Cp is equal to Cp minus R dot dt by T. Cp minus Cv is equal to R, that formula.
Yes, ma'am.
Plus r dv by v. So if you integrate both the sides, then implies that S is equal to Cp dt by t minus R dt by t plus R okay, implies that S is equal to Cp ln t minus R ln t plus R ln v plus S0, where S0 is the integration constant. Can I write up to this?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So now Cp ln t minus R ln t plus R ln RT by P plus S0, because in case of V we have just replaced RT by P.
Yes, ma'am.
So that is equal to Cp ln t minus R ln t plus R ln R plus R ln t minus R ln p, you know, ln A by B.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
P plus S0. So now we can minus R ln t plus R ln t, we can cut it. So Cp ln t plus R ln R plus S0 minus R ln p, I can write. So this is nothing but a constant only. So we can write now Cp ln t plus S0 dash, the second constant, minus R ln p. This is equal to S. So for like this is for one gas. So if we consider a number of moles of gases from N1, N2, N3, like up to Ni. So what will be the expression?
Ma'am, into Ni we have to do whole this one into Ni.
Yes, St is equal to Cp ln t minus R ln pi, because for ith number of gas the partial pressure is replaced by pi plus S0 dash into Ni.
Yes,
Can I
ma'am.
write?
Yes, ma'am.
So again, if the total pressure P is equal to P1, P2, P3 up to Pi, then St is equal to Cp ln t minus R ln p plus S0 dash. We have replaced Pi now.
Yes, ma'am.
So again, entropy of mixing, delta S mix, is equal to delta S mixture minus individual delta S for individual gases.
Yes, ma'am.
So now you just Ni Cp ln t minus R ln pi plus S0 dash minus Ni Cp ln t minus R ln p plus S0 dash. So the finally it will just find out again, you know, pi is equal to xi
Into P.
P. So if we put this relation, then final relation you can get. Just
Okay,
check
ma'am.
it. If you are
Yes,
not
ma'am.
You will get that.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now is it clear now?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay then. So all the best for your exam, like your quiz test. I know my students will do the best, and everybody should get 10 out of 10. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Thank
And
you.
next class we will have uh, chemical kinetics. Will start.
Okay.
Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, quiz will be in this Saturday.
What is that?
Ma'am, the quiz will be conducted in this Saturday.
This Saturday.
Okay, ma'am.
Let me check. It is chemistry. Quiz is on 20th November.
And ma'am, timing?
आप लोग क्लास में रहते हो whether you were in the class or not?
6:30, 6:30.
Time 6:30. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. And another one thing I want to tell you. It 2 minutes is there. So if you do not have any doubts, I am just telling you.
मैम जो सम अभी आपने दिया वो एक बार दिखा देंगे.
This is the conference. I am organizing this one. Emerging smart material in applied chemistry. So check it once. Speakers. So you know he is Professor Yeshuke Imauchi. So he is right now working in Queensland University, Australia. So he is working on tectonics. Okay. So he is one of the biggest researcher in our material science, and he has citation more than 50,000. If you know Siana Rao from India, Siana Rao was discovered graphene. Okay, so if you compare, then his citation is more than that, and he is from that robotic center from South Korea. So these are our speakers from USA, South Korea, Thailand, and different countries, Poland, Japan, Australia. So they are coming to this conference, and I hope if you have time and if you do not have any classes, then you can join the link. I'll share the link if you were wished. Then you can also, I'll share the Google form to the link to register. If you want, you can come and join when you do not have any classes. If your examination on 6th December, so it's up to you whether you will join or not, but the link I'm sharing. Just
बाप रे, हार्ट अटैक.
what happened? क्या हुआ? What happened? Just a minute.